The night skies over Iran lit up with fire. US bombers struck deep, targeting Iran's nuclear shadows. But the story does not end here, because now Iran's supreme leader has spoken, and while his words were not shouted on a stage, they were felt like a war drum echoing across the region. America will regret this act of aggression. Our response will come, and it will come without mercy. I'm Uma, and this is Trendline Times, where the headlines don't just echo, they explode. Midnight, June 22, 2025, precisely at 2:34 a.m., under direct orders from President Donald Trump, the United States launched a wave of airstrikes on Iranian soil. Targeted sites included a suspected uranium enrichment facility near Fordo and a missile storage depot near Isfahan, both long suspected of housing secret programs. The Pentagon confirmed that stealth bombers and drones carried out the attack using bunker-buster munitions. There were no ground troops, but satellite images captured secondary explosions suggesting the targets may have held live weapons or fuel reserves. Iran's top leadership did not delay. Within hours, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's office released an official statement calling the US strike a reckless act of war that will not go unanswered. Khamenei warned the Islamic Republic will decide the time and place of its retaliation. Revolutionary Guard commanders have stated that Iran's enemies will soon feel the cost of their aggression, and across Iran's social media, one chilling hashtag began to trend: Khoon ka badla khoon, blood for blood. According to sources in the White House, the decision followed classified intelligence suggesting Iran was weeks away from achieving weapons-grade uranium. An unnamed senior defense official said this was not an escalation, it was a preemptive necessity. President Trump reportedly described it as decisive action to stop a nuclear Iran before it is too late. However, critics, even some US allies, say this decision could trigger a chain reaction that spirals into full-scale war. The world did not take long to react. Russia condemned the strike as unilateral imperial aggression. China warned the US to avoid dragging the Middle East into another catastrophic conflict. Israel meanwhile activated its Iron Dome and heightened military readiness. The financial world responded too. Oil prices surged 18%, reaching levels not seen since the early 2000s. Iran has not yet retaliated, but military movements suggest something is coming. Quds Force units have been placed on alert across Syria and Iraq. Hezbollah has been told to prepare for rapid response. Iranian naval drones and submarines are reportedly tracking US warships in the Strait of Hormuz. Middle East analysts believe proxy warfare is almost guaranteed. The real question is, will it stay contained or will it tip into a direct US-Iran confrontation? Trump lit the match, Khamenei read the warning, and now the world waits to see who moves next. This is not just another strike, it is about power, pride, and survival on a global stage already cracked by war and fear. I'm Uma, and this is Trendline Times. Subscribe, stay alert, and comment below. Is this the beginning of another endless war or a desperate attempt to prevent one?